In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to collapse rows in Smartsheet. Collapsing rows in Smartsheet is all about using parent and child rows. Once your rows are organized into this hierarchy, you'll be able to expand and collapse sections of your sheet, which is really helpful when you're working with long project plans or detailed task lists. First, open your Smartsheet project sheet in the grid view. Make sure you're looking at the sheet where your tasks or items are listed in rows. You don't need any special settings turned on, just open the sheet as you normally would. Next, click on the row that you want to turn into a parent row. This is usually a higher level item, like a project phase or a main task that will contain several related tasks underneath it. You can select the row by clicking on the row number on the far left side of the grid. This highlight shows Smartsheet which row you're working with. Now, look for the row you want to nest under that parent. Click on the row you want to make a child row, again by selecting its row number. With that row selected, right-click to open the row menu and choose Make Child Row. When you do this, the row will indent slightly to the right. That indentation tells you it's now a child of the row above it. Repeat this process for any additional rows you want to group under the same parent. Click the row, open the row menu, and select Make Child Row. Each time, you'll see the new child row appear indented below the parent. You can create multiple child rows under a single parent to build a clear structure for your sheet. Once you have at least one parent row with child rows underneath, look at the far left of the parent row. You'll see a small expand or collapse control, usually a plus or minus icon. Click this control to collapse the parent row. When collapsed, all the child rows are hidden, and you'll just see the parent row, which keeps your sheet clean and easy to scan. Click the same control again to expand the parent and reveal all the child rows when you need to see the details. You can do this for any parent row you've set up in the sheet. That's all you need to know to collapse rows in Smartsheet by creating parent and child rows and using the expand and collapse icons to control what you see.